So guys, I want to bring you another product. I've done a lot of these in the past, but this is on a good deal right now. It's 50% off with a coupon on Amazon. It's really helpful to keep these in your car, especially as your car ages. For brand new cars, maybe not so much, but as we keep cars because they're getting more and more expensive, it's definitely something you want to keep in your glove compartment for sure. So like I said, I've done a lot of these in the past, but I want to do a new one here. And this is on a great deal right now. It's 50% off, so it brings it to about $50, which is cheap for one of these devices that I think, like I said, as your car ages, you will definitely need one of these. And it'll keep you from being stranded. I keep one of these in my trunk at all times. And I've already had to use it twice to help other people out actually too. So that's always a good feeling if you can help somebody else out. So it's these portable jumpers right here. If you're not sure what these are, they're very basic. They'll jump start your car if your battery dies, if you leave your lights on, or if you have a weak battery and it's just getting hard to start. Very simple. This is a nice one because it not only jumps your car, but also has a little air compressor that can air your tires up as well. It's a nice heavy unit here. And you get all the things you need in it. Down below you get a little carry bag, and then there's the jumper cables that just plugs right into it. And you also get the charging cable here so you can charge it up. And then you get the air supply here that you plug in so you can air your tires up, and also all these different adapters. So if you want to bring it to the beach, you can blow up stuff with it. That comes in handy as well, not just for the jump starter, but pretty basic here. You just turn it on, you set it to what you want on the PSI, and then turn it to start, and then it'll run until it gets to that PSI and automatically turn off. So there's no guessing game. That's something I like too, so you don't have to go put a little air in and then finagle with it. Like I said, this is a really nice one. There's so many different ones out there, but like I said, this is 50% off right now until April 21st, I believe. And that just plugs in here right to this slot, and you're good to go. You just hook it to your battery, turn it on, and then crank your car up like you normally would. And then for the air compressor, again, you can just set it to what you want, and it'll turn off automatically, and it just plugs in there. And it has a nice light on it too, just super bright. So I like these things, like I said, because you never think you need them until you actually do. You know, you don't want to be stranded. I've had it where my car didn't start because the battery's getting weak, and I had to call AAA when I didn't carry one of these in. And luckily I had the roadside assistance, else you're going to pay at least $100 just to get jumped. So like I said, I'd highly recommend picking one of these up because it's 50% off right now. I'll put a link in the description. And like I said, you just put it in your glove compartment, in your trunk, whatever you need, and just make sure it's charged from time to time. Like every 3 to 4 months, I'd make sure, just so it actually has juice. So when you need to use it, you actually have power to it. So I highly recommend picking one of these up. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate you guys as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.